In this video, we're going to be breaking down some advanced trading techniques that professional traders actually use themselves. Multi-time frame trend analysis to get a picture of the trend of the actual market. And then we're going to be going down into those lower time frames to get a more precise entry point to make maximum gains. These entries will, of course, be coming after what we hope to find will be key retracements on those shorter time frames. We're going to be using a couple of indicators today, the EMA and the RSI, and showing you how we can actually use those to enter the market at the right time. Then we're going to actually go through and show you how we enter this trade. We're going to put in a stop loss. We're going to speak to you a little bit about the logic and the risk to reward ratio of the particular trade that we use. This is a 100% actionable strategy that you can actually put into action using this trading platform. All of the links for IUX broker will be at the very top of the description of this video. So if you enjoy it, make sure you use that link to go ahead and get signed up. It will also be at the top of the pinned comment section as well. And folks, always please do remember, be careful when you're trading crypto and stocks and just basically anything in the market, because these videos are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and there's always a risk that you could lose it all. Folks, we're going to be showing you exactly how a professional trader does his or her setups. Okay, so the first things first, we're going to check out the actual trend. Are we bearish or are we bullish? So we're going to do that by going to the daily chart here and having a bit of a quick look. So it's pretty clear based on the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days last week. We have had a lot of green candles on the daily chart. So it's pretty clear that the broader term trend there is definitely very bullish at the moment, even though this actual current day we're on right now has been a little bit bearish. So now that we know that we are pretty much in a bullish trend on that daily time frame, we're going to go over to the 1 hour time frame and actually go ahead and have a look at a couple of indicators that we can actually put in place as a professional trader would to get an indication of if we were able to enter the market at this time or not, and also look at a past time where it would have been a really great entry point to enter a trade. So there's a couple of indicators we're going to show you today, guys. So essentially we're going to go over, hit this indicator button here. First one we're going to put in place is the RSI, which is the relative strength index. Going to X that there and have a look. Now, the relative strength index essentially is showing whether the market is overbought or oversold. Now, anything below 50, guys, the market is starting to look like it is oversold. Anything above 50 is looking like the market is overbought. As we can see down here in purple, the current number is 52.44, so it is pretty much neutral, but slightly actually in the overbought territory. Overbought, generally speaking, meaning that you'd want to sell when it's overbought, and when it's oversold below 50, you generally want to buy. But we're not just going to make any rash decisions based off that one single indicator, guys. We're going to go over to indicators again, and we're going to type in and use an indicator which I personally really love using in combination with the actual RSI, and that is the EMA Cross. All right, so when you click that button there, the EMA Cross actually comes up in these two lines here that you have, and we'll explain them right now. All right, folks, essentially what you've got the fast EMA, which is the red line here, which generally tends for most of the time to trend close to the actual candlesticks. And then you've got the slow EMA, which is the green one here, which tends to move away from the actual candlesticks. And when they actually cross over, that's when you either know whether it might be a signal to buy or sell. Okay, so just to give you a little bit of an example here, this is an actual crossover, EMA crossover point here. You have got the fast EMA crossing over the slow EMA, so that is potentially a bullish signal. And also the other way as well, folks. So for instance, if the actual red indicator there goes below, or I could say it the other way, if the actual slow EMA, the green one, actually crossed over the red, that would be a bearish signal based on the EMA cross. Alrighty, folks, so if we just go over to a EMA cross here from around the 27th of May, we can actually see we've got the red line crossing over the actual green line, the slow EMA cross there, and we had a really nice percentage gain all the way from around 109,000 BTC to a top of around 110. So really good upward movements in the market there, and that actually matched up pretty nicely with just a slightly above 50 to 57 line there on the actual RSI. So there's a lot of different points where these two indicators used together can actually form some really good indications as to whether buy into the market or sell. Alrighty guys, so just to finish off the video, we're just going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to go ahead and actually open up a position. So we're going to go over to trading and we're going to buy in at the market price right now. You just hit the buy button there. We're going to buy in at just over 109,000, 109,555. So if we actually go to all port guys, we're going to see our position there, 109,528.50, and we actually can see we're immediately down just slightly on that one there. And what we want to do guys, we want to set our stop loss and we want to set our take profit. So say for example, we want to set our stop loss up just here, say around 98,000, we'd simply go over to this box here, type in 98,000, and let's just say we want to have a take profit up at, I don't know, say 102,000. That would be maybe an okay little profit there. You just type it in there, 102,000, very easy. And we don't have any current market orders in place, guys, so all we need to do now is hit buy at the current market price, just under 102 there. All right, and as you can see, bottom left, we had that buy position in place, and automatically, folks, you're going to see right there, see that dotted red line there? The horizontal line set up at our 98,000 USD stop loss for Bitcoin right there. And then on the higher end, guys, okay, we just move that there. The stop loss here, the green dotted line 102,700, and that's the current buy there in blue. All right, lots of different ways you can go ahead and set up a stop loss, okay, guys, but essentially that's the easiest way to go ahead and do it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like it if you like it, subscribe, comment, and turn those notification bells on if you want to see more trading videos like this. It's extremely easy using the trading.iux.com interface, guys. Extremely good broker to use. If you do want to go ahead and get signed up, guys, there will be a link to do it at the very top of the description of this video and at the top of the pinned comment. Any questions about this trading at all, let us know, guys. But yeah, guys, this is a really great time to get long into the BTC and crypto markets in general. Of course, there's always risk, so never invest more than you can afford to lose, guys, and always do your own research, guys. But yeah, we're going to be having more videos about these trading tools coming your way very, very soon. So wherever you watch from, have a great one, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.